got 2 small beds. These are really small. These are like twin beds. Someone fell asleep in the middle. Not me. And then we got the little couch. Man, we don't get the view. The view is of other. Oh, there's the pools over there. Is how you turn the lights on? What are these for? They don't do shit. No way. Did you find an elevator? Did you find an elevator?
No elevator. You should have run. It's the 3rd floor.
Yeah, that's what I told her. You got it?
Was yours heavy too?
They gave us a busted room.
None of the lights work?
No.
12 seconds later.
They like get stuck in it too. Look, we figured it out.
We can do that. Wow. We can do that.
That's just weird. Bathroom.
Oh yeah, outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. All right. Yeah, I think here before us. Ooh. No, you know, being in a swimsuit, it feels so much nicer. Wearing clothes, you get sweaty. This is the last day. It's gonna be nice because the hurricane's gonna hit.
Don't say hurricane.
No.
Storm.
This is storm is gonna hit 2 days. We literally passed by. Asking for help. For snows. Look at, I'm so close to it. Hella sand everywhere. In the crack. Everywhere. What? We also went into the ocean. We swam. Me and Diana learned how to swim. Jasmine taught us. Huh? We all did. But yeah, now we're getting ready for dinner. We're ready for dinner. She got her outfit. She got her outfit. Tell Lizzie.
Oh my god, she's a loser. It's cute.
Touch it.
It's just like, what the fuck are you looking at?
I have a hiccup. I'm so tired. Bro, where do I get these hiccups from? Shit. She's gonna make me throw up.
I know that was high as fuck, man.
Under the ocean? Made her eyes red. Huh? Oh my god, these hiccups. Doesn't scare me. So these hiccups can go away.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey, you were like,
What?
I'm saying turkey.
Oh yeah. Get the leg workout in.
Oh my god.
It's funny as fuck. Now you doing too much.
Oh my god.
To the club we go. She looks nasty outside. Look back. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Hey, you got the key?
No.
That's?
It is.
Is she be a girl?
She has it, right? Yeah.
We're gonna go get some breakfast. For the storm pants. Oh my goodness.
A few moments later.
The hurricane is starting. But it's still walking too. That's gonna be us. That's how you know it's gonna be bad. It's like a cherry. Got some wine. So close. Okay. 51. We're going to the mall. What's the mall? The last side of the board. Get picked up by the Uber right now. Gonna go in this.
Hopefully we don't get kidnapped.
Okay, right. We're gonna go in this stormy weather, windy weather.
Hurricane Hillary.
That's what's called Henry.
Yeah, that's what's called. Hurricane Hillary.
Oh, Hillary. Hola. Gotta get drenched. Where's Diana? Go running.
machucaria. Já te amo mais do que o normal. E sem pensar que você desistiria. Enquanto não voltar pra mim, não me chame pelo nome, sou apenas codinome. Me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina. Diga que me ama, mas não vou acreditar. Já conheço sua fama, não adianta nem tentar. Quando eu te dei espaço, você não soube ocupar. E não vem fazendo drama que eu não quero escutar. Enquanto não voltar pra mim, não me chame pelo nome, sou apenas codinome. Me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina, me chame gelatina.
Oh, those two over there.
Saluden, palomillas, saluden.
Yes. You got this. You got this. That's